The Staff Selection Commission has declared the SSC CHSL Tier 1 result in online mode on the official website. The Tier 1 result has been declared in PDF format. Candidates who appeared in the Tier 1 exam can check and download their result on the Commission's website at ssc.nic.in. The detailed steps to check the result for SSC CHSL Tier 1 are provided in this video. Open SSC official website ssc.nic.in. Click on the Result tab on the homepage of the official website. Now click on the CHSL Result Tier 1 link under the Results section. Next, click on the Result PDF. The result will appear on the screen with the roll numbers and names of the qualified candidates. Use Ctrl+F to search for your roll number or name in the result PDF file. Download and save the result for future reference. Candidates can check the following details in the CHSL result: roll number of the shortlisted candidates, name of the shortlisted candidates, category-wise cutoff, the total number of qualified candidates for the Tier 2 exam.